Hello viewers, welcome to Smart Tech. We have printer right now over here, the Epson 690 model, and the issue is with this printer. If we turn it on, you will see it's showing paper out error. And write down the paper out error, the pause light also working. Viewers, if you start your printer, this Epson 690, and you found this light is blinking paper out error, you will not be able to print any document or any paper. Okay, you have the printer is not in ready state now. So today we will fix this problem. Stay with me, watch the complete video. Yes viewers, as I mentioned earlier, this paper out error, if this is blinking in the startup, we will not be able to print any documents or any invoice. So we will fix this error today. We will disassemble the printer now. First of all, this top transparent cover, and remove it from, is easily to remove. Then there are 5 screws actually, 2 in the front and 3 screws in the back. We will unscrew these screws to open the top cover of the printer. Here are the 3 screws. Okay, we will open the screw one by one, because we cannot fix this until we will remove the top cover. After remove it, I will guide you step by step how to reach out the sensor that we will fix today. Okay, one screw left over here. Follow the same steps, guys. With the right way you are disassembling it, we will assemble it back. So you have to make sure that the things you are aware from removing, we will fix back again on the same place. This is the front side. Okay, there are 2 screws on the front. Let it unscrew. Okay, all screws are removed. Okay, you can see the here is small lock. We will pull this lock, then remove the top cover. So you have to be careful. You have to remind this lock if you are opening this printer. Here is ribbon. We will remove the ribbon also. Okay, pull this lock here on right or left and remove from the printhead ribbon. Fine. Now viewers, as I told you, the sensor is actually right down here. Okay, so we will remove this front paper sensor is here. Over here we will remove this also, because we will not be able to remove the printhead until we will disassemble this also. 2 screws is here. Just it will be removed easily. Place it, no need to remove the cable, just place it like this, because the cable is coming from behind the board. Okay, this is the printhead. 2 screws of printhead. We will unscrew these 2 screws. Okay, here we go. Okay, printhead, there are the cables on the top. Remove carefully, unplug the cables without damaging the cables, because this is sensitive cables, plastic strips actually. Okay viewers, now you will see the tiny cable is coming from the behind this transparent plate. Okay, so there are 2 locks, right or left, on the right and the left, and remove carefully with both hands slowly the locks, and then you will be able to release this plastic transparent. Actually this is the printhead carriage, and you will see with the help I removed this transparent plate and will disassemble this cable from the behind. Slowly remove this plastic and this tiny cable from the left. This is the sensor, guys. Okay, it's not reading well from the down because it's transparent like glass. Move this cable and I will close up this part. This is the paper sensor. This is not working fine. We will clean this today and we'll try to fix the same old one. If you will unable to fix this, you have to must replace. With the help of star screwdriver, remove this small sensor, and with the help of tissues or cotton bud we will clean this. Okay, viewers, this is the sensor. This is not working well, so that's why this error is coming out, paper out error. Now I will clean this transparent plate and the all this the side where the sensor is fixing. First of all, with the help of a small cotton bud, I will clean this both sides, from top, front and back, because this glass should be cleaned. The paper pass by under this plastic, okay, and maybe there's a dust or any moisturize. Sometimes it stopped working. It's not reading well the paper. Okay, should be clean it. If you can find the dust or anything, must clean it well. Okay, viewers, I have a small alcoholic spray. We'll throw it on this plate. If there is any dust will left, it will be fixed. Fine. Okay, after the spray, I am just cleaning it again because I don't want to fix this back with the small amount of dust. Okay, make sure that you clean it well, and then the sensor also is very sensitive, guys. Don't throw the spray on this sensor. Sometimes if your spray is very hard, and it can damage the plastic, because this is very sensitive plastic. Sometimes you know, if there is thinner can destroy the plastic. So if your spray is with heavy amount of like acid or what, it can damage the sensor. Okay, you can see this small black dot is, this is the sensor. Just clean it with cotton bud or tissue paper, or you can like small, if old toothbrush, you can clean it with the brush or with the little amount of air from your mouth. Right now I'm cleaning it with mouth, and will not throw the spray on it well, and then we will fix this back to the transparent plate slowly, and then we will fix back these things to the printer. Let me fix this. Okay, I fixed it, and then we will put the screw back. Cleaned it well. No, there will not be should not be a dust on this plate. Fix back the screw that you removed earlier. Hold on. Though we will fix this plate is back to the printer. You can see the iron part. Clean it if you can. There is a dust on this part. Just clean it, because this help the head to type the text on the paper. There will be a dust sometime with the black color, the ribbons. Sometimes ribbon cross from here, so that's why it became dusty sometimes. Okay, viewers, we will fix back now and over this plate. First of all, place the cable that we removed earlier. I will fix this cable back, the small size cable. Fix it well, because if this cable will not be fixed, the sensor will not work, and maybe you will find another error or abnormal things in the printer. Okay, now that this is the main part, how to fix back. First, bring in the right and take this small tiny cable inside. There is a behind one lock also. Place the cable there, and then this transparent, fix the cable first. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, now fix the transparent plate to the locks that I moved earlier. I told you with the both hands you move. Now we have to fix this locks back. You have to make sure that this plate should be fixed well. If you will not fix this plate well, the head will not rotate properly. Okay, there is just two holes on the right side and left side, and the small iron rod should be went inside these locks. Place the cables in this place. Okay, our plate is fixed now. We will return back the print head. Okay, here we go. First I will see that this lock is fixed well, the cable behind placed well. Make sure the cable should be getting there is a small cover of the cable, the small cable. You must place cable inside this clip. Now fix back the print head, the cable they removed earlier. Okay, here we go. Put these two screws that you removed from the print head. The second screw. Then the front, after this fixed well, this is a front side paper sensor plate. We will fix this same like as we opened it earlier. Two screws will be fixed here, right, the one on the right side, second on the left. Okay, here we go. Screws are fixed. Now we will place our ribbon to check, or just we will put the power. I will now turn it on to see that if there is, okay, you see guys, now there is no error. Okay, printer is in ready state. Okay, there is no red light or yellow light, no pause light is working. It's pretty fine. Sensor is working perfectly. Now I will turn it off again to make sure that I turned it off and turn it on again. Look guys, this is a right way, like your head will go on the right side, then suddenly it will come in the middle. It means that printer is in ready state now and you can print. Now there is no more error. We place back our ribbon now. Place back the ribbon as you removed it. There is a two locks on the both side, right and left. It should be placed well. Okay, and then this plastic of the ribbon, insert down the print head. There will be two small rods will hold this ribbon plastic. Rotate this to make sure that it's fixed well. The light, I will check with the light. Okay, now what left? Okay, place back the top cover. There are 5 screws that we removed earlier. We will place back. Our printer is ready now guys. There is no more error. There are two other things I will tell you. Sometimes there is a plastic gear also become damaged right on the left side of the printer. I will make another video soon for you. If I found that the gear is damaged, how to replace it. And in the time of damaged gear, the printer will show the same error, paper out error, and pause light will be flash. So you have to make sure that first, before opening the printer, you have to make sure that the gear is damaged or is fine. If the gear is fine, then this is a paper sensor, must be replaced or cleaned. There are two things, the main things that cause in the print paper out error. Hope you understand it, and I explained it well, I think. If in case you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. And also you can see here it again, there is no more error. The lights, the green lights are working. The printer is in ready now state. I will turn it off and turn it on again. Look, it came in the right side, then suddenly it will come in the middle. It means that printer is ready. There is no more error in the printer. Okay guys, hope you understand the method. If you have any question regarding this printer Epson 690, you can ask me in the comments. And thank you for watching guys. Take care. Bye.